Hello, Smiley here. I just want to share with you some new features that I've added to my online learning den. I'm creating it into a community because I want families to come here and learn and grow and be together. And I feel like when you have a supportive community and you feel like you're getting love and understanding, you're not being judged, then you can grow your confidence as a parent and you can also support your children more. So I want you to know that in this community that I've created, I'm going to show you how I've done that in a minute. You're completely anonymous. So it's not like being in a Facebook group where people can see who you are or know about you. And it's a really good chance for you to connect with me as well. So when you come here and you log into your account, let's just log in and I'll show you how you can access the community. So it comes with all my courses, and all my courses have got a nice balance of practical theory, so explaining why and giving you insights into why you are where you are, giving you things to do, and then reflection, because journaling is so powerful. Journaling unpeels those layers and brings up those hidden thoughts and feelings, gives you clarity, a deeper understanding, and it also lowers your stress levels and your anxiety and gets those emotions under control. It's a great way to increase your self-awareness too. So that will help you deal with your triggers as a parent. So I've just signed myself up to do this course. So if I go into my course, I'm going to resume my course by clicking on here, and it's launching the course for me. And you can see it gives me all of my course modules down this side of the page, so I can go into them and see them at any time. It's a series of videos and workbooks with some bonuses. And then it keeps checking in and making sure you're okay. So you get support from me on email, so you can ask me a question. Hello, Smiley, I'm stuck. Please help me. Bing. And that will come into my inbox and I will get that. But here is the discussion, which is the forum. So let's type in here, welcome to my Smiley community. It's great to have you here. Come and say hi or let us know how you are getting on. And obviously you can type in there and you can create an account. You can create an anonymous account. You can log in with Facebook and Twitter, but you can stay anonymous. And you can just leave your messages there. And then what will happen is that you will be part of a community and you will be able to see what other people are typing as well. So I like that, because as you're doing the course, you don't feel like you're alone and you get to see what other people's experiences are. So you'll all be learning from each other. I love it. I just think it's amazing. So all my courses come, remember, with a 30-day guarantee. So if you do the work and you show me you can do the work and you can tell me that it's not working for you, then I'll give you your money back. But I believe in this stuff. It's everything I've learned in the last 15 years, from the coaching room, from therapy, from reading books and attending courses. And I've packaged it all up into manageable bite-sized chunks for you, with all the juicy bits that I know that will help you most. So if you want to be part of this community, then you can sign up for any one of my courses in the Learning Den. And let's just have a look at them. I'll show you them all. As you come into the Learning Den, you can sign up for any one of my courses, and it's smileyforlife.zenler.com, and you will have access to that community as part of your course. So when you come to the page, this is what you see, and as you go down the page, you can see all the courses there. And the Mum's SOS Pack is a bundle of the best courses that I would recommend to you. So yeah, that's the online learning den. I'm really excited to share that new feature with you, because I think it will make all the difference to feeling like you've got someone to chivvy you along, and you're not sitting at home doing this course thinking, oh, I don't feel like doing this, or I feel demotivated, or I feel overwhelmed. You're going to be able to crack on and get what you need out of it. I hope that's helpful, and I'll see you soon. Bye.